As you can see, I'm dressed for work. This is just one last shout out for anyone that's interested in a PlayMini limited edition-ish rear silencer for a pickup van or estate. I think I mentioned it a while ago, but I just did it in another video, I think. But I thought, I'm a bit short on time, but I thought, let's just do a shout out for this exhaust. I think I've got one space left, maybe two, for a PlayMini silencer, large bore silencer for a pickup, estate or van. I don't know if anyone of you guys know what they are, but the ones that do know, yep, PlayMini make a stainless steel exhaust system, but they used to make it for the estate as well, van pickup. But they stopped doing it a while ago because the sales were sort of just not enough, you know, to do a bulk order. But I've managed to place a bulk order. I've sold most of them. Got one, maybe two left. I'm waiting on them to confirm, but I'm just wondering if there's anybody else out there. If you are interested, check out the website. Basically what it is of pickup silencer is the tailpipe's good 4 inches longer, because obviously the rear overhang on a pickup, estate or van is longer, and also the wheelbase is longer. So basically the joining pipe, not the link pipe, but the pipe that comes out the silencer to the link pipe is an extra sort of 4 inches longer as well. So it joins to a standard link pipe. So yeah, if anyone is interested, email me YouTube at 16vmini.co.uk, and I'll see if there's a bit of space left for you. Or you can be on the reserve list if that happens. Maybe I'll do another bulk order. I wasn't planning on doing a bulk order because it's taking up a lot more time sorting it all out. But yeah, that was it. So no update today. Well, I might just show you the push button start from the top, because we just got the bits painted, because we've got like about 2 minutes. Yeah, hopefully we'll be back tomorrow with a bit more of update, but it's getting cold in this garage. So yes, interested in exhaust, get in contact with me. Really quick, really quick. So there we go. Yeah, Paul 15 is great as well, but I don't know if they do it in a can, but I do love a bit of a smooth white hammer, right, if you get a few coats on things. So that would go on there. So what we're doing is, Chris said, you put your carpet underlay on, bang, you'd screw this down, because then you don't have to have a huge hole, and this will keep the carpet down a little bit as well and look all neat. Look at that. And then we managed to sort of squash this out a bit. It's not a perfect circle, but it's definitely better. As someone says, this rubber cap is maybe to stop stones getting down there. As he says, he had a stone drop down in this cap once, and then it sort of hinders you pushing your button down, which obviously then hinders your car starting. But that's quite big at the moment, isn't it? I assume it goes over that. It wouldn't go over the whole bucket, would it? My gut feeling is it should go in like that. But it wouldn't go like that, would it? Does it go over? Maybe it goes over like that. Maybe? Yeah. What do you think, guys? In or out? I think that actually works like that, actually. Seems quite more sensible. Go on, Dad. Where are you, Dad? We need an engine now. Just people talk about the different foot switches and stuff. This is obviously the push start. You use it with your thumb or your fingers, or your nose if you can get it down there. It's well out of the way of your feet, so you don't accidentally do it. This is the dip beam switch. That would go down here, and that's what you do. You use your foot, because obviously you're steering with your car. You can't use your hands, because it's dangerous to take your hands off the steering wheel and flick a light switch. So yeah. But anyway, in reality, what do people think? I think it's that now. Alright, obviously it's Pasta Tuesday, so hopefully you guys are having a bit of pasta as well. Let me know. Definitely see you tomorrow.